I found this beautiful fresh green okras today at the supermarket. I thought of making some crispy okras. So I'm gonna make this into the air fryer, so which is very quick. So let's get started with it. So first I'm going to chop it everything in same size so that way they cook evenly. So make sure to cut it in all the same cube sizes. And now I'm gonna preheat my air fryer at 370. So here are my okras ready, all chopped up. So into this I'm going to add about a tablespoon of oil. I'm just gonna eyeball it and mix it nicely. And going to add salt. Add according to your preference. And again, just toss it nicely so it's all mixed evenly. And now here it goes into my air fryer basket. Just spread it evenly, and this is how it looks. Here it goes. And now first time I'm going to cook it at 370 for 10 minutes, and then we're just gonna toss it in between. Now this is after 5 minutes and they are getting ready, and I see some brown okras on top, so I'm just gonna give it a toss. And it goes back in for another 5 minutes. So they are 80% ready, I would say. Now I'm just gonna add some spice like cumin powder, turmeric, and some chili powder, and mix it all nicely. After mixing, I'm going to add back into the same air fryer basket, and I have also sprinkled some water here, but I forgot to take that in a clip, so make sure to sprinkle a little bit of water so they don't dry out too much. And now again I'm gonna cook this at 350 for about 5 minutes. If you don't like that crispy, you can cook for maybe 1 or 2 minutes, but we like crispy, so I'm gonna go and cook for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes they are ready, looking very delicious. As you can see, they are nice brown color on top. And I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this. Please, if you enjoyed it, give it a like. Thank you.